Hello everyone and welcome to a free Easter craft session where I'm going to be teaching you how to make two types of Easter cards today. All you're going to need is some paper and also the printed Easter template. This is the Easter template and you're going to cut out this large Easter egg. Then you can decide to have your Easter egg as white, or you can do it on coloured paper as well, as I'm doing here. So there's two different options. Then if you see this zigzag line, we're going to cut that out. And then you can see we've got a white or coloured option. You can decorate your Easter eggs however you like, with markers, with coloured paper, with glitter or stickers, whatever you have in your house. You're going to decorate and personalize your Easter egg however you like. I'm doing two Easter eggs here to show you two different card types. You'd obviously just be making one. If you're doing this with younger kids, you could get them to paint it while it's still on the Easter egg template. There are lots of different ways you can design your Easter egg. You can make a banner with Happy Easter written on it, and you could do your card just like this with your eggs. Perfect. But you can also add other elements. And here I'm going to show you how to draw a little chick. So you can draw a little Easter egg chick, and we can add that to your Easter egg card. So here's where you can get to personalize your Easter card even more. I'm drawing a simple little Easter egg chick and cutting it out. Make sure it's small enough to fit inside your Easter egg. So this one, I picked a smaller one there. And the first Easter card I'm going to show you is how to make it with a moving lid. So glue down your chick first and then the bottom of your Easter egg. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use a brad. So this little brad, and we're going to stick it with a pin. So make a hole and a hole in the top of your Easter egg. And then you're going to secure it at the back. And you see how your Easter egg now moves. This I just cover with a little bit of paper so that you can't see it inside. And you have a moving Easter egg card. So that's one design. Another design is by just sticking your Easter egg down and sticking your little chick inside. And this would be if you didn't have a brad. So it's just a cute little way to make it, but another way to design your Easter egg card. And then I'm going to do some decoration around my Easter egg, and you can write in Happy Easter or whatever you want on your Easter egg card. So there are two Easter egg designs that you can make at home with your kids this Easter. I hope you enjoyed that, and do let me know in the comments.